Unlock your earning potential. Learn how to make $100 a day with ChatGPT and YouTube. I'm going to show in this video how to create an interesting YouTube video using ChatGPT and other tools. The procedure is rather straightforward. First, we'll generate material using ChatGPT, and then we'll make voice over using a speech synthesizer. Finally, we're gonna use Canva for editing. Let's get started. Generate content. The first step is to use ChatGPT to generate the content. Simply register for ChatGPT. Navigate to the search section and ask ChatGPT to write top 3 fact titles. We kept it wide, but you can choose a specific audience or niche to target, such as space, education, a particular country, or any other topics you like. Now choose any topic that ChatGPT has generated. Examples include top 3 surprising planet facts you didn't know. Then type "write about top 3 planet facts we didn't know" into the search box. By asking ChatGPT to shorten the generated text to a specific read time, you can also reduce the length of the text. Add voiceover. Voiceover is a production technique that involves using a recorded voice in a radio, film, or television program, advertisement, or multimedia project. An audiovisual experience is created when a voice actor or narrator records the script in a studio or remotely, and the pre-recorded voice is added to the video. So once you have your text, copy it and move to the second tool that will aid in voiceover. There are many tools available for voiceover, both paid and free. Some of the more well-known tools are Mirth and Well Said Labs, but you can also use Speechify if you don't want to spend any money. In this video, I'm going to show how to use both of them. First, Speechify will be our starting point. You may acquire the audio by just copying the text and pasting it into the program. The audio might not sound as authentic and lifelike as other tools. In the case of Well Said Labs, all we have to do to acquire the free trial for a week is create an account, which is great for this premium tool. You can choose the voice avatar you feel is most authentic and appealing. In contrast to a female voice, I advise choosing a male one because it sounds more natural. After selecting a voice, you can use the tool to create a voiceover by pasting the chatbot's generated text into it. Head to Canva. The video editing process will be completed as the last phase, and Canva will make the process quicker and simpler. Here are the steps to create an account on Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Sign Up on the top right corner of the homepage. Select an option to sign up via Facebook, Google, or email. If you sign up with email, enter your name and email address, create a password, and click on Sign Up. Follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. After creating the account, go to the search bar and start searching for YouTube short templates. Select a blank template and load the audio that you generated with the help of voiceover tools. Now you are ready to add a background. So for adding a background, it's important to have it constantly moving to keep the viewers engaged. Select a video. On YouTube, you can get backgrounds that are copyright-free. Just make sure to exclude videos by choosing Creative Commons. You should choose videos that are relevant to your niche and the people you want to reach. For instance, if you are discussing space, use videos on space, etc. Once you have found a video that you like, you can download it from a website called Y2Mate. You can simply download it by copy and paste the link in a website, and then just click on Download bottom. Now use that video in the Canva editor. Add caption and images. To make your video even more appealing, adding text and images is one of the final steps. Adding images and captions to videos is an effective way to increase viewer engagement. Video content creators can clearly illustrate their message or story and capture the attention of viewers by using relevant images and captions. Images and captions can also help add context to a video while conveying emotion or humor, making it more relatable and memorable. I strongly advise using text and photos in the video. You can quickly search the photos in Google and edit them to give your video a unified look. The audience will remain attentive and interested as a result. You can also make use of the auto captioning tools Premium Pro and CapCut originally offered. Actually, you can complete the entire procedure on your phone. All you have to do is download the video from Canva and install CapCut on your device. Upload the downloaded video to CapCut, then select Caption and upload your video. so that it all gets the free version from CapCut. Upload. To upload a video on YouTube, you need to sign into your account and click on the camera icon with a plus sign at the top of the page. Select Upload Video and choose the file from your computer. Add a title, description, and tags, and select the privacy settings. Finally, click on the Publish or Schedule button, depending on whether you want to post the video immediately or at a later time. Your video will be processed and added to your channel, making it available for everyone to view. Uploading your video to YouTube wraps up the procedure. Once you've finished, post your short video on YouTube. Feel free to draw inspiration from the several YouTube channels that produce comparable videos and aim for the same audience. You may monetize your YouTube channel in a variety of ways to earn money there. There are 3 widely used steps. Sponsorship. Sponsorship is a common way for online content creators to earn money from their content. With sponsorship, companies pay content creators to promote their products or services on their videos, social media platforms, or other digital channels. This comes in the form of paid collaborations, product reviews, or sponsored content creation. Sponsorship can be an excellent way for creators to earn a steady source of income, as well as increase their brand recognition and audience engagement. However, creators must make sure their sponsored content aligns with their values and brand message to maintain the trust and loyalty of their audience. Online content producers frequently use sponsorship to monetize their work. Sponsorship is when businesses pay content producers to advertise their goods or services on their YouTube channel, social media pages, or other online platforms. You can get in touch with these businesses or brands and suggest that they have a sponsor video made for them. Overall, sponsorship is a successful method for online content creators to monetize their work and establish cooperative relationships with brands. YouTube ads. The videos that creators produce contain adverts that bring in money. Earning potential is affected by a number of variables, including as views, impression rates, ad formats, content kind, and geographic location of visitors, with payout amounts varied according to the total number of views and location of the content makers. Creators receive a portion of the cash earned by the advertising that run on their channel. With the help of this program, YouTube has developed into a successful platform for content creators and companies to monetize their content, with many making good livings from their videos. The YouTube algorithm can enable YouTube monetization after you have more than 1,000 subscribers and a total of 10 million views, at which point you can start earning money. If you have a website or blog, you can also utilize Google AdSense to display advertisements on it. Affiliate marketing. For affiliates, it provides a way to generate passive revenue through commissions or referral fees without having to start from scratch with a new product or service. Ultimately, affiliate marketing is advantageous to businesses and affiliates since it creates a condition where everyone may succeed. This includes marketing goods and services and making money from any sales generated by special affiliate links. You can encourage your viewers to check them out by putting the affiliate links in the description or as a comment. Also, you can utilize affiliate marketing in conjunction with other revenue-generating strategies like promoting ebooks, online courses, or other digital goods. You now know how to create an interesting and informative YouTube video utilizing free tools and resources. To monetize your content, keep your video brief, to the point, and visually appealing. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.